Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious salmon croquettes. First, gather your essential ingredients. 1 can of salmon, about 15 ounces, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 large egg, and your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, and a dash of onion powder. Make sure you have a spacious bowl ready for mixing everything together, and prepare your cooking oil for the next step. Now drain your canned salmon and flake it well in the bowl. Add the breadcrumbs, the beaten egg, and your chosen seasonings. Mix everything gently but thoroughly until just combined. Avoid overmixing. Then, take about 2 tablespoons of the mixture and form it into small, uniform patties, roughly 1 inch thick and 2 to 3 inches in diameter. You have 2 great cooking options. For pan frying, heat about 1/4 inch of oil in a skillet over medium heat. Cook the croquettes for 3 to 4 minutes per side until they are golden brown and crispy. If baking, place them on a lined baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Always ensure they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Your homemade salmon croquettes are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them warm with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a dollop of your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a creamy dill or tartar sauce. A sprinkle of fresh parsley adds a lovely touch. They make a fantastic appetizer or a light main course. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a great book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.